Okay, this giant one is Grand Lisboa. Should I give you context now or later? Give you context now. There's a regular Lisboa, there's Wind Casino, MGM is way down there. This is kind of a street that goes what used to be down all the way to the pier. Okay, let's focus on this crazy one. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here's Grand Lisboa. It's kind of an odd shaped one. Looks pretty interesting though. So we're gonna try to capture it best that we can, but it's a little bit difficult because it's like right under us. But when we get up there, you'll get more. You get more of a different look for it. Yeah, actually, this was always filled with tourists from the mainland for years. And then with COVID, it all stopped, right? But you'd get this, people would actually has a pillow, sleeping and everything, right? A lot of times they'll pull out their suitcases and go through their suitcases quite commonly as well. But generally they're just kind of hanging out like this. So yeah, it seems like the tourists are back. I mean, no foreigners can come into Macau, but for mainland China, they're back. I haven't seen it this crowded in quite a while. I've walked by here many times over the last 15 months and I've just never seen hardly anybody here. And now you got all these people lined up. And then when it gets even more people, it'll be like completely full. So yeah, kind of interesting. Casino Lisboa straight ahead. I'll give a different look to this Grand Lisboa as I walk away from it. Yeah, let's see, looks like we can get across there. There we go. So I'm going to be walking this way. I better turn the camera this way for now while you focus on Casino Lisboa. And you can see how many seconds I got, 11 seconds. Okay, so there's that one. And there's that giant Grand Lisboa ball shaped thing with a lotus leaf up on top. Pretty crazy, eh? Yeah, sometimes they'll have messages in here, Chinese and English. And then over here, there's a bunch of little tourist things that I've never seen in use anymore, but I think were quite common way back in the day. And okay, that's gonna go that way. There's a bus stop right there, but I can't, it has 66 seconds, so I guess what we'll do is we'll just end it right here in a minute. Yeah, it definitely has that touristy feel again, like it did a year and a half ago before COVID. Okay, let's end it right there.